Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi students, welcome back with me, Miss Eva. In this video, I will give you a tutorial to make an announcement using Canva. So, pay attention to my video and happy watching. Okay, the first you have to open your browser. Here I use Chrome. And then after that, please type Canva on your internet browser. Nah, and then you have to select the first. And then if you have the account, you can sign up or sign in with your email and also the password that have been registered before. But if you haven't yet, you can regress it by using your email smk belajar.id that have been given by the operator a few months ago. So because I have regressed my email to Canva, so I will sign in with my email. If you have success to sign in Canva, the display will be like this. For the next, you can type classroom announcement to find some template that you can use as your design to make an announcement. You have pay attention the background and also the theme that you will use. So you must select the appropriate design for your announcements. If you have found, you can click the design and then custom this template. Nah, if the template has been appear, you can begin to edit the design based on your announcement that will made by you. Pay attention about the generic structures of announcement. They are opening, content, and also closing. And also you have to remember about the tenses. You can begin to customize the template by using your idea that you have made before. You can begin to type the announcement that we have made by you before in your LKPD, and you have to pay attention about the language features of announcement. You can make it bigger, the column, and also you can customize the design based on your creativity. If the design has been done, you can select share, download, and PDF print. Download. Wait, it is downloading. If it has done, you can open it, and then your design already done. That's all the tutorial to make an announcement using Canva. Thank you for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.